What's up, guys? It is the first autocross event of the year. It is cold. We're at Tobay Beach, and if you're savvy, you'll notice that this is not a Scion FRS. So a little bit about this car. This car has a low center of gravity, extremely aerodynamic. It's got a hybrid drivetrain and buttons on the steering wheel. This car is basically a Formula One car for the road. Built in 2008. It's hashtag my $300 Prius. That's actually a hashtag. Google it for the story. So I'm looking to be in the top 50% today. I was trying to get a trophy in X1, but there's a lot of spec Miatas here, so that's not gonna happen. Rich Wade. So let's do this. So yes, I'm walking the course. I know I'm not gonna win, but I wanna do well. I wanna beat myself, at least. Let's have some fun. So morning runs are down. I started with a 56.3 and got down to a 53.8. So dropped a few seconds. The car is actually really good. It teaches you to turn early because it does everything really late. So looking to drop some more time in the afternoon and try and get this thing in the low 50s, low 53s, low 50s, yeah right. Low 53s would be good. And I think that's doable. Racing Prius right here. So I got the video right over the shoulder. Take a look. So all in all, a good day. Started with a 56.8, I think it was. By the end of the day, got down to a 52.1, which is, that's a hell of an improvement, I'd say, for a Prius. Car felt awesome. When it leans, it body rolls like hell, but when it does lean on those outside tires, it really feels solid. So I was able to throw it around quite a bit. I had the tires squealing. I destroyed the outside edge of these tires, but it was definitely worth it. I had far more fun than I would have had if I drove the FRS.